Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. This is day 3 for beginners level. If you are a beginner, if you have just started learning German, so this video is going to be very helpful, very important and useful for you. I have created already a playlist with the name A1 level playlist. So that is very helpful. There are more than 40 videos based on the beginners level and total number of videos are over 1000 on our channel. That is very useful. You can watch it for your respective level, A2, B1, C1, any level. So today is day 3 for beginners level, absolute beginners level, and we learn how to make simple questions and their answers. I've written here few questions. You can see we means how, wo where, woher from where, and this where means who. So my question is, first of all, basic question, how are you called? In German, we don't say what is your name. We say, how are you called? Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißt du? So the verb is heißen or heißt. So wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? It means, how are you called? How are you called? This is my basic question. How are you called? And then, wo wohnen Sie? Where do you live? Where do you live? And then, woher kommen Sie? Where do you come from? These are basic questions. And then, where sind Sie? Who are you? Who are you? So these are 3 questions you can see. These are verbs: sind, kommen, wohnen, heißen. These are basic verbs. These are 4 basic verbs that I'm going to introduce in today's class. Very basic verbs. Heißen, as I said, we use when we ask somebody's name or when we say our name. There are different methods of saying your name. Either you can say, ich heiße Aditya, ich bin Aditya, and my Name ist Aditya. All correct. And the question is, wie heißen Sie? Means, how are you called? We say, how are you called? We don't say what is your name. We say, how are you called? And the answer is, I am called Aditya. Ich heiße Aditya. This is my answer. How do I write answer? Ich heiße. Answer is, ich heiße. Ich heiße. And then your name. Another way, wo wohnen Sie? Means, where do you live? Like, I live in Delhi. Current location. Where do you live right now? Current situation. Current city. So, ich wohne in Delhi. I will say, ich wohne. Ich wohne in, and then city name. Then, woher kommen Sie? Woher kommen Sie means your state of origin, your country of origin. Where do you come from? Suppose I come from India, but currently I live in Berlin. So I will say, I come from India. Ich komme aus. Ich komme aus. Ich means I. Ich komme aus means I come from. Indian. I told you in the previous class, Indian means India. Ich komme aus. Indian. I come from India. Ich komme aus India. And then, where sind Sie? Means, who are you? Here, the person is asking your name. So you can say, ich bin. Again, I will say my name. Ich bin Aditya. So there are 2 ways of telling the name. One is ich heiße, second ich bin. One more, mein Name ist. Another way, mein Name ist, and then my name. So these are the 3 methods. These are 3 sentences if you want to say your name. Ich heiße Aditya, ich bin Aditya, and my Name ist Aditya. All 3 correct. There are 3 different methods of saying your name. So these are the questions. W-Frage. We say W-Frage, W-Frage. This is called W-Frage. Okay, W-Frage. Means W family, W words, W questions, W-Frage. Okay, I'll erase this and use some other question words. Just a second. These are very basic questions we have seen, and now I will tell you the verb conjugations. How do we conjugate the verb? How do we connect the verb? Okay, it is also very important to conjugate the verb. It's called verb conjugation. When we join the verb, like I am, you are, he is, she is. So it is called verb conjugation. Means with first person, how do we write the verb? With second person, how do we write the verb? So this is called verb conjugation. In German, in any language, verb conjugation is very important in order to make sentences, in order to build, frame correct sentence. You should know the verb conjugations. So we'll see further how do we conjugate the verbs according to the person, as per different persons. So it depends upon the person, which person you are using. If I say first person, if I use the first person, ish, and second person, do, third person, er. Okay, so these are the different person. Okay, I use this side, it is better. So here you can see, if I say first person, ish, first person is ish, second person is you, so ish, this is my first person. Okay, second person is you. So with first person, the verb end with e, the verb end with e, first person. Second person, verb end with st. Okay, with second person, verb end with st. This you have to learn. So I will use some sentences so that you understand. Like if I say ich wohne means I live. Du wohnst means you live. He lives. Er wohnt. So these are all different persons based on the different conjugations. So verb conjugation, as I said, is very important, and you must learn verb conjugation if you want to speak correct sentence. So if I say ich wohne means I live, e ending. If I say you live, du wohnst, st ending. So these endings are very important. Okay, you cannot ignore. With ish you can see e ending, and with do you can see st ending. This is called verb conjugation. With ish, e ending, and with do, st ending. Similarly, if I say third person, er or z, the ending is t. So want. This is want. This is my verb conjugation. This is called verb endings. It is used with most of the verbs which are regular verbs. So with this concept, we further proceed to the regular verbs. These are all regular verbs. I can use some other verbs here, like to play. I play is spiele. I play. You play, du spielst. St. He or she plays, spielt. T ending. So you can see st ending, e ending, t ending. So you have to learn like this with ish, e ending, with do, st ending, with he or she, t ending. This is called verb conjugation. I can further use it for another verb like lernen. Ich lerne. I am learning. You are learning. Du lernst. He or she is learning. Lernt. So this is my verb conjugation. I am learning. You are learning. He is learning or she is learning. Again, this is the verb conjugation. This is very important. But there is a verb sein that is built completely different. This verb sein means to be. And for this verb, you need to learn the entire conjugation. I am, ich bin, du bist, you are, he is or she ist. So this is completely different. You can say there is no e ending, but we say I am, ich bin, I am, you are, okay, du bist, he is or she is. So this is called sein verb. This is irregular verb. So this we have seen today verb conjugation, how to conjugate the verb as per persons. These are all singular, okay, first person, second person, and third person. In the coming videos, we'll see further how to make a simple dialogue, how to ask the name, how to greet somebody formally and informally. So keep watching German class, keep learning with us. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.